welcome to my channel Competitive Challenge. This is the part 5 related to European traders in the subject of history. I already have uploaded another 4 videos related to top 20 MCQ, which are very important for any competitive challenge, any competitive exam. So let's start. Question number 1. Which one of the following was not a French settlement in India? Options for Pondicherry, Maha, Chandanagar and Goa. The correct option is Goa, because the Goa is a French, it is not a French settlement, it is a Portuguese settlement in India. The question number 2. Who was the first Governor General in India? Options for Robert Clive, Warren Hastings, William Bentinck and Cornwallis. The correct option is the Warren Hastings. Question number 3. Who were the first Europeans to reach India for trade? Options are Portuguese, British, French and Danish. The correct option is Portuguese. Question number 4. The English East India Company founded a permanent factory in 1613 at options are Maha, Surat, Nagapattinam and Calicut. The correct option is Surat. Question number 5. Which one of the following was the first fort constructed by the British? Options are Fort St. William, Fort St. George, Fort St. David and Fort St. Angelo. The correct option is the Fort St. George. Question number 6. The administration of the English East India Company in India came to end of options for 857, 858, 890 and 860. The correct option is the 858. The question number 7. Which one of the Europeans were the last to leave India? Options for Portuguese, British, Dutch and French. The correct option is Portuguese. Question number 8. In 1579, when the Akbar requested to send to learn priests to court, who were selected? Options are Rodolfo, Aquaviva, Antonio Monferrata, both and none of these. The correct option is both. Question number 9. In 1612, which English ship fought a Portuguese fleet? Options are Dragon, Osiander, both and none of this. The correct option is The correct option is Dragon and Osiander both. Question number 10. During whose region the Portuguese lost all advantages in Mughal court? The options are Jahangir, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb and Akbar. The correct option is Shahjahan. It was during the region of Shahjahan that the advantages which the Portuguese enjoyed in the Mughal court were lost forever. The question number 10. In 1613, when the Portuguese captured Mughal ships who were in charge of Surat? The options are Mukarrab Khan, Shah Shuja, Shujauddaulah, none of this. The correct option is the first option. Question number 12. Among the following factories in Bengal, the one established by the Portuguese was options are Kasim Bazar, Hooghly, Chinchur and Sirampur. The correct option is Hooghly. In Hooghly was established by Portuguese. Question number 13. In which year the Portuguese captured Daman? The options are 1559, 1560, 1558 and none of this. The correct option is 1559. Remember, the 1510, the Portuguese captured Goa from the ruler of Bijapur. 1530, Goa declared as a Portuguese capital. And 1535, after 5 years, the Portuguese captured Diu. And 1559, the Portuguese captured Daman. Question number 14. Who gave Diwani to East India Company? Options are Farrukh Shah, Shah Alam II, Shah Alam I and Shujauddaulah. After the Battle of Buxar in 1764, the Robert Clive made treaty separately with Mughal Empire, Shah Alam II and Nawab of Awadh. That time, the Mughal Empire gave to the East India Company the Diwani rights of the Kolkata, Bengal and Bihar and Odisha. Okay, so the correct option is Shah Alam II. Question number 15. During Mughal period, who came in India first? Mughal period. Remember, the options are British, Portuguese, Danish and Dutch. The correct option is British. Question number 16. The Portuguese established their first factories in. The Portuguese options are Cochin, Kannur, Surat and Pulicat. Okay. The correct option is, the correct option will be the Calicut, but this is not their option. So the all options are incorrect. Okay. So the correct option will be Calicut. Okay. The Portuguese established their first factories at Calicut. Okay, this is the correct option. Question number 17. Which European trader owned all the Portuguese forts in the Malabar coast? Options are Dutch, Danish, British and French. The correct option, Dutch. The Dutch established their first factory. The Dutch trader owned all the Portuguese forts in Malabar coast in 1663. 1663, the Dutch owned all the Portuguese fort in Malabar coast. Question number 18. Which British official defeated the Portuguese at Sowley? Options are William Hawkins, Thomas Beast, Thomas Roe and Josiah Child. The correct option, Thomas Beast. Question number 19. After 1690, what was the main center of the Dutch in South India? Options are Pulicat, Nagapattinam, Calicut and Cochin. The correct option is Nagapattinam. Question number 20. This is the last question for today in this session. Which European power first captured Pondicherry? Options are British, French, Portuguese and Dutch. Correct option is French. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe this channel and keep learning. Stay safe. God bless you. Thank you.